Happy morning, everyone. This is your coach, Prakash Manoharan, and today we are standing on day 31st for creating 60 beautiful days towards 365 days of amazement in the year 2023. Yes, we are happily completed the 50% of journey till yesterday, and from today, the second 50% is going to start. Of course, it started, right? Before getting into the insight of today, I have a request to all my viewers and subscribers. If you like the first 30 days of video, please share to many people. I'm sure there will be 1% of transformation will happen while watching this video. Right? I hope you will do. Okay, last 3 days we were discussing about the habits that will make communication better. Can you remember the 3 habits which we discussed last 3 days? The first one is think in English. So instead of thinking in mother tongue, think in English and speak in English, because there is always gap between thinking and speaking. What do you have to do? Think in English and speak in English. So the gap become reduced. So then the flow will be perfect. Okay, this is first habit. The second habit is what? Can you remember? Right? This is about read loud. See, when you read loud, then automatically your total body and energy system will get accept things from the reading. Once it accepts, it will be directly influenced to the memory part. So this memory part, once registered, it will be, when the situation arises to speak, this memory part will take, certain statements or vocabulary, to manage the situation, right? And the third one is engage in conversations, right? So what I'm trying to say here is you engage more conversation with your like-minded people, right? These are the 3 important benefits that we were discussed last 3 days. And the fourth important habit that I'm going to give you today is look up to the shadowing technique. What is a shadowing technique? See, this human mind always looking for some inspiration from outside. Inspiration may be your role models, inspiration may be your parents, or inspiration may be your teachers, right? It always looks for an inspiration from outside. This shadowing technique will support you to develop your communication better as well as greater. What is this shadowing technique? Right? You remember in childhood days, when you are watching movie, so after that movie, you will be, acting like the actor, right? The style, the body movement, and everything you will be, showing the way of the how the actor did in the movie. You remember? This is called shadowing technique. In language also, the shadowing technique plays a very important role. You choose one model for your inspiration, especially in English language. I have a lot of people like this, right? You also choose one model, right? Maybe anyone. Follow their videos, how they are speaking, how they are pronunciation in words, and how they form the sentence, and everything you follow from them. At least one video per day, 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Once you start watching their video every day, automatically this shadowing technique, will start. Right? Through this shadowing technique, you'll come to know all kind of inspiration from that particular model. Right? Okay, if I follow, particular kind of model or a person or something like that, so what kind of benefits I'll be getting? The first one is it will increase your vocabulary, right? Because these models will use a lot of vocabularies, positive vocabularies, so that you will come to know and you will be learning from them. The second one is pronunciation, how they pronunciate words, right? Once you started following them, in one fine day you will also speak like them. Pronunciation, second one. And the third one is fluency. This fluency matters a lot. if you follow this shadowing technique to watch some models videos every day, right, your fluency will get increased. And the fourth important thing is you will have a sentence structure in mind. You understand? Sentence structure in mind it will create. And the fifth one, body language. So how they speak, how they stand, and how their body movements are moving, and how their facial expression, and everything you will come to know from this particular model, right? So model may be a business leader, model may be a spiritual leader, model may be a trainer, anybody can be. But who inspires you, take them as your model and follow them continuously, right? Through videos or through audio lectures or any kind of dimension, whichever you like, you follow them for minimum 30 days continuously. I'm sure through that shadowing technique, you will learn a lot of things from the people, right? And that will boost your English language, that will boost your communication pattern, that will totally change your mind. My dear friends, whatever we are discussing and whatever we are doing in life, it is all for the framework of mind. If you change the framework, life will change, right? So this shadowing technique will definitely support you to change the mind framework, especially towards communication skill. So what are you going to do? Choose your inspiration. Listen their video or audio continuously for next 30 days. Learn from them. What are the things you have to learn from them? Vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, sentence structure, right? Body language. These kind of things and all, if you learn from them, then that will be your life, right? Okay, we have our own content and we have our own strategy, but we require some inspiration from the expertise people. Do you understand? Right? So for that purpose, we are going to use this shadowing technique from today. So don't forget, my dear friends, this is going to be the rocking habit in every one of your life. So with this content, I'm concluding this video. We'll meet in another video with an exciting information, right? So wish you all success. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Take care.